Liver is a powerhouse of an organ. Our livers work extremely hard every day to protect us from adverse effects from toxins, and often it is easy for our lives to become overworked, compromising our health significantly. The primary way in which your body expels toxins is via the liver, which detoxifies and cleanses your body by continuously filtering the blood of poisons that enter it through the digestive tract, the skin, and the respiratory system. But when your liver becomes overworked as a result of stress or excessive exposure to toxins, your entire system can be thrown off balance, and your health severely compromised. Since the liver is also responsible for producing bile, another form of detoxification that is metabolically necessary for the breakdown and assimilation of fats and proteins from your food, it is exceedingly important that your liver is properly maintained. Without a well-functioning liver, your body will be unable to cleanse itself and absorb nutrients, which is a recipe for a health disaster. This video lists the 10 best foods to eat to keep your liver healthy. 1. Garlic. Garlic contains numerous sulfur-containing compounds that activate the liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins from the body. This bulbous relative of the onion also contains allicin and selenium, two powerful nutrients proven to help protect the liver from toxic damage, and aid it in the detoxification process. 2. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is rich in natural vitamin C and antioxidants, two powerful liver cleansers. Like garlic, grapefruit contains compounds that boost the production of liver detoxification enzymes. It also contains a flavonoid compound known as naringenin that causes the liver to burn fat rather than store it. 3. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, a type of plant antioxidant that has been shown in studies to eliminate liver fat accumulation and promote proper liver function. This powerful herbal beverage also protects the liver against toxins that would otherwise accumulate and cause serious damage. 4. Green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as bitter gourd, arugula, dandelion greens, spinach, mustard greens, and chicory also contain numerous cleansing compounds that neutralize heavy metals, which can bear heavily on the liver. Leafy greens also eliminate pesticides and herbicides from the body and spur the creation and flow of cleansing bile. 5. Avocado. Rich in glutathione-producing compounds, avocados actively promote liver health by protecting it against toxic overload and boosting its cleansing power. Some research has shown that eating 1 or 2 avocados a week for as little as 30 days can repair a damaged liver. 6. Walnuts. Walnuts, which contain high levels of L-arginine, an amino acid, glutathione, and omega-3 fatty acids, also help detoxify the liver of disease-causing ammonia. Walnuts also help oxygenate the blood, and extracts from their hulls are often used in liver cleansing formulas. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric, one of the most powerful foods for maintaining a healthy liver, has been shown to actively protect the liver against toxic damage and even regenerate damaged liver cells. Turmeric also boosts the natural production of bile, shrinks engorged hepatic ducts, and improves overall function of the gallbladder, another body purifying organ. 8. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a source of nitrates and antioxidants called betalains, which may benefit heart health and reduce oxidative damage and inflammation. It's reasonable to assume that eating beets themselves would have similar health effects. However, most studies use beetroot juice. You can buy beetroot juice or juice beets yourself. 9. Fatty fish. Fatty fish contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and have been associated with a lower risk of heart disease. A 2016 analysis found that omega-3 fatty acids help lower liver fat and triglycerides in those with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. While consuming omega-3 rich fatty fish appears to be beneficial for your liver, adding more omega-3 fats to your diet is not the only thing to consider. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil is considered a healthy fat because of its many health benefits, including positive effects on heart and metabolic health. However, it also has positive effects on the liver. One small study in 11 people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, found that consuming 1 teaspoon of olive oil per day improved liver enzyme and fat levels. It also raised levels of a protein associated with positive metabolic effects. The participants also had less fat accumulation and better blood flow in the liver. Several more recent studies have found similar effects of olive oil consumption in humans, including less fat accumulation in the liver, improved insulin sensitivity, and improved blood levels of liver enzymes. Fat accumulation in the liver is part of the first stage of liver disease. Therefore, olive oil's positive effects on liver fat, as well as other aspects of health, make it a valuable part of a healthy diet. Your liver is an important organ with many essential functions. Therefore, it's recommended that you do what you can to protect it, and the foods mentioned in this video have demonstrated beneficial effects on the liver. These include lowering the risk of liver disease and cancer, raising antioxidant and detoxification enzyme levels, offering protection from harmful toxins. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a natural and healthy way to help keep your liver functioning at its best. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. If you want more health tips and recipes, please subscribe